I will tell you it's not always easy to get a omnibus law enforcement bill across the finish line. Some of you are well aware of that's in this room, that you've had the experience of being able to do it. But I do think this bill is probably one of the better ones that I've seen coming across my desk, and they did a good job keeping it clean and did a good job for trying to really make the citizens of Missouri safer and to help support law enforcement to do their jobs better.
And this is not only a public safety bill, it's a bill that hopefully will help boost the economy in Missouri. One of the things that we've heard from employers both in Kansas City, St. Louis, and elsewhere around the state is that crime is a major motivating factor in whether a business is going to relocate to Missouri or whether they're going to stay in Missouri. Because we know if employers don't feel like their employees are safe coming to and from work, it's really difficult to keep them here in Missouri. And so this bill will hopefully make sure that we're keeping more Missouri businesses here and recruiting additional businesses into our major metropolitan areas.